Today in the livestock market, cattle was higher. Futures seems to have been oversold. Traders were expecting a bearish report coming on Friday, and it reacted accordingly just ahead of the report. So it seems like it's already been digested into the market. And what's happened is it seems to have given bargain hunters a reason to kind of step in and jump into the market and really offer a little bit of support. So that's what it looks like that we got today. It isn't a kind of raging rally, but certainly it is supportive to the market to slow down the slide that we've been experiencing for the past week or so. Now, feeders were steady as well. That sell-off, in spite of better fundamentals, I think just tells you that the market still, wants to kind of come back. That on-feed report was relatively neutral, and futures did trade mostly higher, but I think that it just couldn't sustain and started to pull back a little bit. Now, that being said, there is an issue still with the cash and the futures premium, and that may play a little bit havoc on the market and maybe keep it from continuing to rally. However, strong demand certainly looks like it's going to be in our future, but until that takes hold, the markets just seem to be settling in at this low level right now. Now, not the same thing for hogs. Now, hogs were higher. I think the demand remains very, very strong. Packers are bidding up for supplies to fill that demand, and it looks like that the futures are continued to rally. Traders were talking about Friday with that small pullback to be the correction they were looking for, and everyone's stepping back in to get back on board, expecting that this market's going to make another new high. It doesn't really have far to go, but higher prices are just not slowing, and demand around the world, internationally, certainly out of China, actually for beef and for pork. So that just tells us that there's still a strong demand out there, and that's continuing to move supplies on the livestock sector.